Hi, my name is Regitze. How do you use but in sales negotiation? There's good and bad ways of using the word but in sales when you're talking to somebody and trying to sell your product. The bad way could be, for instance, where you're using the word but to negate what the person that you're talking to is saying to you. For instance, if they say, you may be upset right now, but you'll get over it. That's kind of a wrong way to say it. The person will probably get upset. A good way of using the word but could be, our cost of advertising went up last month, but we got a lot of good leads to work with. So comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with a friend, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. And have a great day. Take care. Bye.